The 2025 Toyota Hilux has been a symbol of toughness and reliability for decades, and now it's taking adventure to a whole new level. With the addition of a slide-on camper, this iconic pickup transforms into the ultimate off-grid companion. Today, we're exploring why this combination is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts and overlanders. Let's start with the Hilux itself. The 2025 model boasts a refined yet rugged design, with an upgraded grille and bold LED headlights that make a powerful first impression. Beneath the hood, it's equipped with a 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine, delivering 201 horsepower and 500 Nm of torque, ensuring you can tackle any terrain with ease. Paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission and a robust 4-wheel drive system, the Hilux is ready for steep inclines, rocky trails, and even river crossings. Durability is a given, but comfort and technology in the new Hilux set it apart. Inside, you'll find a spacious cabin with premium materials, an intuitive infotainment system, and advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and a 360-degree camera. Whether you're cruising through the city or heading into the wild, the Hilux has you covered. Now let's talk about the slide-on camper. This camper is a game-changer, designed to fit seamlessly onto the Hilux's bed without compromising its handling or performance. Constructed with lightweight yet durable materials, the camper keeps the vehicle's center of gravity low while providing all the comforts of home. Once deployed, the camper reveals an impressive interior layout. It includes a cozy sleeping area for two, a compact kitchenette with a sink, stove, and refrigerator, and ample storage for your gear. Many models also come with a portable toilet and an outdoor shower setup. The camper is equipped with solar panels and a secondary battery system, ensuring you have power for your appliances and devices, even in remote locations. Setting up the camper is a breeze. Simply park your Hilux, secure the stabilizing jacks, and extend the camper's slide-outs if equipped. Within minutes, you'll have a fully functional living space ready to enjoy. This slide-on design also means you can easily detach the camper when you need the truck for other purposes. On the road, the Hilux and camper combo remains agile and efficient. Thanks to the Hilux robust suspension and payload capacity, the vehicle handles the extra weight effortlessly. Whether you're navigating tight forest trails or cruising along highways, the drive remains smooth and controlled. Imagine waking up to breathtaking views of mountains, deserts, or oceans right from your camper's window. With the 2025 Toyota Hilux and slide-on camper, the possibilities for exploration are endless. It's not just a vehicle, it's a gateway to unforgettable adventures. Closing show, the Hilux drives off into the horizon, leaving behind tire tracks on a sandy trail with the camper neatly packed up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting reviews and outdoor adventure tips. Let us know in the comments where you'd take the Hilux with a slide-on camper. Until next time, happy travels.